Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making stuffed pepper skillet.
Alright, I'm starting out here in a large skillet, and I have a pound of ground beef that I browned up and I drained off the excess grease. Now today I'm going to add in 1 onion I diced up, and I did a coarse chop on that. And 1 green bell pepper I did a coarse chop on. And I'm going to allow them to fry in there with the ground beef for a few minutes until they start to soften up. Right now my peppers and onions sauteed in there with the ground beef for a few minutes and they're starting to soften up. I'm going to add in 3 forkfuls of pre-diced garlic. If you use fresh, use like 3 cloves. I'm going to give that a stir. Right now I'm going to add in my seasonings. I'm going to add in a ½ teaspoon of oregano, and that's pretty much that container. A ½ teaspoon of salt. Then a ½ teaspoon of pepper. A tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm going to add in 2 cups of beef broth. And I have 2 cups left in this container. And I'm going to turn my heat up a little bit to get this going. I'm going to add in a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes undrained, and a 8 ounce container of tomato sauce. Let me give that a stir to get everything mixed together. Alright, I'm going to add in 1 cup of white rice. Now you want to use the white rice that isn't cooked. You don't want to use the parboiled or the instant. You want to use regular white rice. So let me get a cup here. Give that a stir, get that mixed in there. I'm going to put a lid on this. I'm going to bring this up to a gentle boil. Then I'm going to cut my heat back to medium low, and let this simmer covered. You want to make sure you have a tight fitting lid, covered for 25 minutes. Alright, this went for 20 minutes. I didn't open the lid up, I didn't mess with it, I left it do its thing. I started out on medium heat, kind of cut it back to medium low. You can see almost all of my liquids has been absorbed by the rice. I'm going to sprinkle some cheddar cheese on top of this. If you don't like cheddar, you can use mozzarella cheese. That would work great with it too. And I'm going to put my lid back on here, and I'm going to allow that to sit just for a few minutes till the cheese melts. Alright guys, my cheese is all melted. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and I garnished up with a little bit of parsley for some color. Let me get in there and try this. I'm going to go right for the cheesy part. Don't want to drip it on yourself. Rice is tender. Peppers and onions are tender. You get that tomato coming through, the seasonings, and then the cheese on top. It tastes like a stuffed pepper, guys, without all the work. Really easy, really delicious. 1-pot meal. You can't beat it. Alright, there you have it. Stuffed pepper skillet. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.